If you're overweight and stepping into a gym for the first time, the worst thing you can do is jump on the wrong machine and end up injured before you've even started. Most people don't know which equipment is actually working against them. In this video, I'll break down exactly what to use, what to avoid, and why. Before I continue, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends so more people can discover this content. I'm on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers, so if you haven't already, please subscribe. Every single one counts and helps this channel grow. The goal when you're heavier isn't to avoid exercise, it's to avoid unnecessary joint stress and poor movement patterns before your body has had a chance to adapt. So let's go through the machines that deserve some caution early on, what the risk actually is, and what you can do instead. First up, the treadmill. Walking on it is absolutely fine. The issue is running or jogging when you're carrying extra weight. Every stride sends a significant force through your knees, hips, and lower back, often several times your body weight. Over time, that adds up quickly, especially if your joints and connective tissues aren't conditioned yet. Next, the leg extension machine. This one isolates the quad by pushing your lower leg forward against resistance. The problem is that it creates something called shear stress at the knee joint, basically a forward force that the knee isn't naturally designed to handle under load. When you're already carrying extra body weight, your knees are under more baseline stress. Adding this type of isolated force can aggravate them. A leg press machine is a better option early on. It works the same major muscles, quads and glutes, but in a more natural movement pattern where the load is distributed across the whole leg and supported by the machine. Sit-up and crunch machines. These often look like the go-to for core training, but they can do more harm than good at the start. They tend to pull on the neck if form breaks down, compress the lower back, encourage momentum instead of proper muscle engagement. If your core isn't strong yet, your body compensates and your lower back usually pays the price. Instead, focus on planks, dead bugs, which it involves lying on your back with limbs raised, lowering opposite arms and legs without letting the lower back lift off the floor, or supported core work. These build stability first, which is what your core is actually meant to do. Resist movement, not just create it. The Smith machine for squats. This one isn't inherently bad, but it can be misleading. The bar moves on a fixed vertical track, which means your body has to adapt to the machine, not the other way around. If you have limited mobility, which is common when starting out, that fixed path can push your knees too far forward, force your torso into an unnatural angle, increase stress on knees and lower back. A better starting point is bodyweight box squats, sitting back onto a bench, or using more guided lower body machines. These let you move in a way that suits your current mobility while you build strength and control. Box jumps and plyometric equipment. These are designed for explosive power, fast, high-force movements like jumping. That means high impact on landing, high coordination demands, a need for strong, stable joints. If that foundation isn't there yet, the risk outweighs the benefit. There's no advantage to rushing into them for fat loss or general fitness. You'll get better results and stay injury-free by building strength first. These can always come later if you want them. And finally, the stair climber. It's actually a very effective cardio machine, but it can be deceptively demanding. Each step requires you to lift your body weight repeatedly, which can put a lot of stress on the knees, especially over longer sessions. So what should you actually be using? Keep sessions short at first. Focus on controlled stepping, not speed. Gradually build duration as your strength improves. None of these are bad machines. The key is matching the tool to your current condition. Reduce unnecessary joint stress. Prioritize control over intensity. Build strength before adding impact or explosiveness. That's how you stay consistent. And consistency is what actually drives results. So what should you actually be using? Seated machines, chest press, row, shoulder press, are stable, controlled, and a great way to build upper body strength without putting stress on your joints. The leg press is your go-to for lower body work. The elliptical machine and recumbent bike are both excellent for cardio, low impact, joint-friendly, and sustainable from day one. And cable machines are versatile enough to cover a huge range of movements as you progress. The underlying principle across all of this comes down to three things: how much impact your joints are absorbing, how much control and stability the movement gives you, and whether your current strength and mobility are actually ready for it. You don't need to avoid half the gym. You just need to start smart, give your body time to adapt, and build from there. The machines that deserve caution now won't always. They're just better suited to a later stage of your training. If you're on this journey, you're not alone, and this channel is built for exactly where you are right now. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Like the video if it gave you something useful, and tell me in the comments, what's been the biggest barrier to getting started? Let's talk about it.